I want to empower hundreds of MSMEs in quite a few current years. When I started my business, so I was alone. 1.5 months I was working alone. I have close 2 clients.
Guys, you're going to relate to this. Watch carefully.
So when I started, then I was a HR. Hello, I'm talking with XYZ person, and are you looking for a job change? And there is a HR, there is a sales, there is a finance. So it was one woman army in like next 45 days whenever I started.
Yes.
शार्क टैंक के जमाने में हम रह रहे हैं और हमने स्टार्टअप कर लिया स्टार्ट, तो वो बंद होने के लिए भी उतना ही टाइम लगता है जितना स्टार्ट होने के लिए. ब्रांडिंग इज नॉट अबाउट सेल्स. ब्रांडिंग इज also about hiring, also about marketing sentiment, also about whenever we go in event. So that is very important, because when I go, people say, yeah, I have seen your LinkedIn post, I have seen your YouTube video, and now that builds authority. Like what I am talking about, I am authentic, I am an expert in digital marketing.
जैसे अभी हम देख रहे हैं बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस स्टार्टअप्स चल रहे हैं, दे आर स्टार्टिंग बट दे कम डाउन एज क्विक एज दे हैव स्टार्टेड. So how can anyone help them to make their vision successful?
I always say marketing is not a cost center. It's something that you can create a revenue out of that whole activity. And many times, especially branding, is something that you will not get now the result, but once you will start doing that things, then definitely you will get the result.
Welcome to today's podcast, The Growth Blueprint. Today's story is about turning vision into actions and challenges into opportunities. Joining us today is Shraddha Agarwal, founder of DGDNA, a digital marketing company making its impact in the industry. Shraddha left her 13-year-old corporate career to build something of her own. We'll explore her journey to vision and her advice for all the founders looking to grow their business. So let's start.
Thank you, Mitali, for wonderful intro.
Thank you, Shraddha. So, Shraddha, let's begin with the beginning. So, leaving a high-level corporate job of 14 years, what made you take this big decision of stepping into the world of business?
From always I wanted to work for my own, because I wanted to follow my vision, whatever I can contribute after a decade of experience. And it's kind of baniya, buddhi. So usually what we do, we are into business.
Yes.
So since childhood, I am very excited about any kind of new idea, new startup, what all thing we are doing, which kind of problem we are solving. This excites me. So that is very important, and that's why I came. And the best quality, what I think is very important, is I love doing thing that is new to me. So I cannot do repetitive work. So
Right.
One thing what I was facing in corporate was, usually whatever you have the structure, you have the organization, and now sometimes it happens there's a less challenges and there's some kind of repetitive work, so that sometimes we are not able to learn or grow much faster. So I thought, let's start by our own, and then we have found out DGDNA.
That's really nice. So basically you come from a background of business running through the family, and that's what made you take this big bold decision. So Shraddha, how did your upbringing influence this decision of coming into business?
I've seen my parents working a lot. They are very, very hard work. I have never seen anyone so far like my father, who does a lot of work. So he is very hardworking, and that one quality is imbibed in me. So that is something I believe, that whatever luck is there, what is the opportunity, where you are born, or whatever skill you have, but the hard work is irreplaceable. You cannot replace hard work anytime. So that one thing is very important on business. And because of that, I thought, let's try. If we will put hard work, and digital marketing is my passion,
Yeah.
then maybe we can merge both and we can create a result. And which kind of problem I was trying to solve is, I want to help some startup who cannot afford 20 crores or 10 crore of marketing budget, but have similar omit budget that we can generate a revenue for them. So I thought, there is a vision, there is a skill, and there is a challenges. So let's solve that.
But Shraddha, while coming to the problem, while we're talking about the problem, the basic thing, मतलब जो बोलते हैं ना कि बिजनेस करना is not everyone's cup of tea.
करेक्ट.
तो फिर what do you suggest?
अब मुझे लगता है कि अगर कोई चीज आपको अच्छी लगती है, आप उसमें अगर अच्छे हो और दुनिया आपको उसके लिए पैसे दे सकती है, why you cannot do that? I mean, that is something will give you everything. You will get success, you will get money, you will get growth, and most importantly, whenever there is a first day of the month, whenever I'll give salary, so that satisfaction I can never get in any kind of high paid corporate life. That I cannot, because a person who is there in Nasik, in a village, तो एक छोटे से गांव में, वहां पर अगर if I am able to help her to get a job and to be independent in their own,
Yes.
so that feeling you cannot beat with any kind of money.
So it's like it's not about creating a business, or it's not just about the money. It's also about the impact you want to create for everyone.
That's correct. I mean, contribution is most important thing. As a human being, whatever we do, the basic thing, ये तो सारे एनिमल्स भी करते हैं. Now, if you talk about human, then there's lots of things you can do. You can help whosoever are surrounds you, or you can help who are underprivileged. You can help few people. You can give jobs, you can create opportunity for them, and I am associated with some orphanage home also. So in that all thing we can do as a business much more, versus corporate is a settled job, and there is always a perk in corporate also. I'll not say that is bad, it's just that the opportunity of growth and opportunity of vision and whatever you can contribute, that is different. I mean, 10 साल का काम 3 साल में करोगे तो 10 साल की growth 3 साल में मिलेगी. Simple. So there's always a trade-off. Whatever time you are spending in business, that's a lot. And one thing I would like to add, people think that it's very fancy to start a startup, or to write founder and CEO on LinkedIn. That is not the case. I mean, if you think that whatever you are doing, that is very nice and you are feeling good about that, you are solving a problem, then it makes sense. Just कि वो बहुत flashy है, शार्क टैंक के जमाने में हम रह रहे हैं और हमने स्टार्टअप कर लिया स्टार्ट, तो वो बंद होने के लिए भी उतना ही टाइम लगता है जितना स्टार्ट होने के लिए. So that is tough, and this is always other side of grass. We think that is a brighter part, but that doesn't work like that. So if you think that whatever you are doing and you are very passionate about that, and you are ready to do half pay cut or 1/4 pay cut, and you are ready to do 4x work, then go for the business. Else, if you are okay, yes, no, don't do. You should be hell yes for starting any kind of business.
Absolutely, I totally agree to your point. जैसे आपने शार्क टैंक की बात उठा ही ली है, तो अभी शार्क टैंक में तो चल रहा है, लोग पूछते हैं, लाइक शार्क्स पूछते हैं कि आपने क्या मार्केटिंग की है. How does that impact this vision?
Whenever any startup वो क्या सोचते हैं ना, हमारा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, like we will get something, maybe a word of mouth or any small thing, website. It doesn't work like that. अगर प्रोडक्ट अच्छा बना के अपने अलमीरा में या ऑफिस में रख लिया या लैपटॉप के अंदर किसी तरीके से you have stored that, but if you're not able to deliver to the masses or audience, that will not work. And I always say, marketing is not a cost center. It's something that you can create a revenue out of that whole activity. And many times, especially branding, is something that you will not get now the result, but once you will start doing that things, then definitely you will get the result.
So Shraddha, now that we've talked about Shark Tank and we've talked about business, so how is it important that marketing plays a really important role? But again, the question is कि लोगों को अभी तक marketing समझ नहीं आता है. How would you explain that to them?
आई नॉट से कि लोगों को सब लोगों को समझ नहीं आता, बट आई एम श्योर बहुत सारे लोग जो होते हैं उनको लगता है कि अगर हमने ये प्रोडक्ट बनाया या ये सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, पीपल विल कम. दैट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट, बिकॉज you have one thing, whatever you have created, and you 100% will have lots of competitors. And now if you want to showcase your USP, you have to reach out, you have to tell whatever you are giving to them. So
Absolutely.
that is something very important, I'll say, how they can improve and how they can benefit it out of the marketing thing. Whenever we say that I'm talking to you, I'm just pitching you or for being my customer. But now in digital marketing, you can reach 100,000 and millions people also, and that is to very minimal cost, I can say, as compared to hoardings. If in case you will talk about that any prime location, like आप FC रोड में चले जाओ, MG रोड में चले जाओ, अगर आपको एक होर्डिंग चाहिए, मंथली यू हैव टू पे 2 lakh 3 lakhs पर मंथ जस्ट फॉर यू दैट होर्डिंग. आई एम नॉट श्योर who will go there, who will watch or remember anything, right? So that is very important. Now if they want to reach to the customer, they have to go through the marketing. Many times, whatever I have seen, met so many founders now, last 2 years, 200 250 co-founder I have met. Now whatever I have seen, they think that it's okay if in case they want to target ABC, then they don't want to talk with XYZ, and they just want to concentrate on ABC. What I say is, just do branding for that that is not targeted, and sell to your targeted. Like they think that we will talk only those people, those branding, and we will be to the target audience.
Correct.
That is okay to sell to the target audience. But when we talk about branding should be for all. So that is very important. And one more thing, whenever we talk about, if I want to hire someone, first of all, there should be one company name or some branding, website, and positive review. If I don't have that positive review for my company, who will join me? If no one exceptional skilled person will not join me, how we will grow? So branding is not about sales. Branding is also about hiring, also about marketing sentiment, also about whenever we go event. So that is very important, because when I go, people say, yeah, I have seen your LinkedIn post, I have seen your YouTube video, and now that builds authority. Like what I am talking about, I am authentic, I am an expert in digital marketing. That showcase in everywhere. So it doesn't like कि सेल होगा तो ही काम करेंगे, अगर सेल नहीं होगा तो हम इससे बातें नहीं करेंगे, then सेल नहीं होगा.
Absolutely. जैसे आपने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट बोला कि हमें हायरिंग के लिए भी जरूरत होती है,
Right.
बट यू नीड अ विजन फॉर दैट, राइट? सो हाउ डू वी गेट दैट विजन फ्रॉम these kind of areas? कि सपोजिंगली अभी फाउंडर है, ठीक है, फिर उसको विजन उसका ग्रो करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे उसे हेल्प हो टू ग्रो द बिजनेस?
We can help them for better visibility, better ROI.
Okay.
If they come to us and they want to advance their journey, they can connect with any agency or experts who will help them to grow. क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? So we can do SEO, we can do paid ads, we can reach out to their target customer through their solution and product. So that all thing we can do for them, and we can generate a revenue for them.
Okay. Now let's take a thoda sa leap into this proper thing of vision to growth, what we are talking about today. Leadership, I think, is a very important part when it comes to vision for growing any business. So how do you become that leader?
Uh, Everybody have their plus and minus.
Correct.
What I have seen and whosoever have worked with them, they really appreciate my leadership skill. I am learning a lot. I mean, many people who swear are intern, who swear, so I am a team people. मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना कि अगर आपके टीम में कोई है तो वो मेरे बंदे हैं, मतलब particularly उनका growth मेरा growth है, and that is I really mean it. I don't say, but I can call 10 years ago people who swear I've worked with, and now also they really are doing great. Whosoever joined Dixie DNA, and you are the example of that.
Yes,
You have
I am.
learned
I
a
appreciate
lot, and
Yes.
100%, that is like 10% whatever I say, 90% the hard work you guys put. So that is very important. But the direction, where to go, what is going to be, big in the future. So right now what I see, that public speaking, the video recording or video marketing are going to be have a fun blast. वो बढ़ने वाला है, because wherever in when any business we will be any kind of offering which is related to human emotion, that cannot be replaced by AI. But maybe SEO tool can optimize and automate few things. Many times email marketing can be automate and is going to automate by many tools. So that is not replaceable, that all human emotions and everything.
So after all, leaders are going to need a great team no matter what and where, what job they are doing. So even into the business, like you are saying, that leaders को बहुत ऑनटोज होना पड़ता है, किससे क्या काम निकलवाना है, किससे क्या काम देना है.
Right.
So it's a whole big task. So management also comes in. So what do you have to say about that?
So I have a lot to say about that. I'll start. When I started my business, so I was alone. 1.5 months I was working alone. I have close 2 clients.
Guys, you're going to relate to this. Watch carefully.
So when I started, then I was a HR. Hello, I'm talking with XYZ person, and are you looking for a job change? And then we used to talk like 15-20
Yes.
minutes and everything. Next, again call. Then so I have just started my company, and we provide digital marketing services, SEO, this, and I have served, one client, and I have spent 13 or 12 years of my corporate experience in digital marketing. So that 2 pitch was very different. That HR and that sales. But it's going to the same day 20 goals, because that is the only thing I can start. I mean, I need customer, I need people, and because of those both I can create the business, right? So that initially I was not aware there's a TDS 10%, it will going to cut. That I got after 3 months. Okay, this is something.
That
Yes,
is
I would
hard.
text. And there is a HR, there is a sales, there is a finance. So it was one woman army in like next 45 days whenever I started.
Yes.
So that was very challenging. And at the same time, it was so good to see grow. And whenever I look back, I see what I was, and now where I am, and I really want to go there. So that journey I'm looking.
Okay, Shraddha, so what do you think your vision to growth is, and how will it empower other businesses to grow?
I think when I started any startup, any MSMEs, whosoever have like 50 people, 100 people, 200 people in their team, and they do not want to hire in-house team. They are totally into the tech part. So lots of techies I know, they really don't want to bother about the marketing.
Yeah.
They want to hire someone, and they want to hire some experts, not like 1-2 साल का कोर्स कर लिया और अभी बिजनेस कर लिया या जॉब कर लिया. So they don't want to hire on to that. So that one sector I want to cater. I want to empower hundreds of MSMEs in quite a few current years.
Oh, that's really nice. That is actually a vision to growth, right?
Yes.
So, coming back to the topic, now if you have to give some advice to the business people who are already, seeing this vision of growing in the next 5 to 10 years, or who have just started along with their business, what is that one advice that you will give?
Start with why. I mean, whatever you are doing, it should be aligned with your passion, it should be aligned with your vision and whatever problem you are solving from the market. And whatever you are creating, that is one thing. Just talk about that, what you are doing to your target customers or prospects, and apart from that, be vocal about it. I mean, I have seen so many good product. There's one health tech startup I was working with. They have great product, but they really don't want to come into the front and they talk about that. So sometimes being and having a great product is a one thing, but to showcase in that market and how you can generate a revenue, what you are doing, that is one thing. So many techies fails on that marketing part. They are very good at that tech part. So that is something, there should be some merger, that techie do tech part and marketer do marketing part, and that how there could be revenue generation thing.
करेक्ट जो जिसका पार्ट है वो करे, जो जिसमें एक्सपर्टाइज्ड है वो करे. सो ऐसे मिल बांट के करेंगे तो इट विल कुक गुड.
करेक्ट.
ओके. एंड अभी जो जैसे अभी हम देख रहे हैं बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस स्टार्टअप्स चल रहे हैं, दे आर स्टार्टिंग बट दे कम डाउन एज क्विक एज दे हैव स्टार्टेड. So how can anyone help them to make their vision successful?
Many times, whatever I have seen, whatever I have one assumption, this is one product, but sometimes they are not that agile. They are not ready to talk about or explore about other things. So that is very important. That sometimes is missing. Whoever I worked with, few clients are not ready to change few things, and that really hit them hard, because sometimes whatever market demands, you have to go with the flow. So
yes,
that is very important, to be agile. Apart from that, concentrate on marketing. It's not a cost center. I will repeat, it's not a cost center. It's a kind of revenue journey. Journey. How you can create a revenue, better ROI, growth, and that after that growth, you can re-put that whole money in that again from start. So that is very important part.
Absolutely. I think वो 200x कॉस्ट सेव करने के लिए वो 10% भी बहुत ज्यादा लगता है, बट
करेक्ट. तो समटाइम लोगों क्या लगता है कि ये या 5 लाख रुपए बचा लेते हैं तो ये बच जाएगा, बट पॉइंट ये है, अगर ये 10 लाख से 10 करोड़ कमा लेंगे, अगर मार्केटिंग करते हैं, ब्रांडिंग करते हैं, कुछ इवेंट्स में जाते हैं, या किसी तरीके से कहीं पर स्पॉन्सर कर देते हैं, या कोई भी चीज है जो कि रिलेवेंट ऑडियंस को इट मेक सेंस, देन डू इट, वो बहुत अलग होता है. सो नाउ यू आर सेविंग 10 lakh rupees and now you are losing 10 crores rupees, and that is really
the balance
doesn't exist.
Yes,
right.
So आप बोल रहे हो जैसे see, after all, एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, if it suits, I don't know, but जैसे कोई बीमार होता है तो हम लोग डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, because he is the expert and he can tell us the best what's needed for us to do and survive in long term. वैसे ही लोगों को मार्केटिंग करना चाहिए एक्सपर्ट के पास जाके, सो दैट उनका बिजनेस भी सर्वाइव करे.
राइट. मेक सेंस ऑल्सो ना. अगर हम डॉक्टर के पास ये जाके बताएं कि मुझे एबीसी डिसीज है, या मुझे सर्दी आ गई है, मुझे सुमोकोल दे दो, अगर मुझे ये सब कुछ बताना है तो डॉक्टर की क्या जरूरत है. So many clients and prospect, I'll say, on call they say, I need this. So once last 2 weeks ago, someone came and then called me that I need LinkedIn ads, and I said okay, we are expert in LinkedIn ads because of B2B business. Then I've seen, so that website is not working properly, loading time was not there, founder's profile is 52 connections, and their company had approx 100 followers. So what I suggested them, just fix this basic thing. If you are spending 6,000 rupees per lead and they are coming to their website or they're visiting your LinkedIn and they are thinking that they have just started, maybe some 2-3 kids are starting that any startup, so that is very important thing, because you are spending money for that. And if people come, there should be trust, there should be some visibility whatever you're doing, and there should be some kind of the same topic. If I'm talking that I do SEO and paid ads, I cannot write media, I cannot write PR also we do, or video shooting also we do, we have the
All
setup all over the place, we cannot have. So everything should be aligned, that is very important.
So Shraddha, consistency is also a very important thing. So what advice would you give to founders or the business people who are just thinking of starting any business? How consistent they should be and what vision should they follow?
So consistency is very important. Whenever we run a business, do any kind of job or anything we want to achieve, it cannot be kind of one day or 1 month. Its growth is always a marathon. It cannot be a sprint in a 1 or 2 days you will get the growth. Doesn't happen like that. Whenever someone asks me what is a vision, 5 years, 10 years, 3 years, I say I have a vision for 5-10 years, but what I believe in a power of now. And there is a great book in this power of now, wherein author talks about start small, but start now. So that is very important.
About that. I think उसी से वो कहावत फेमस हुई थी ना, कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब.
Right.
So absolutely, everything is, I think, about consistency. Whatever you do in life, it is consistency. What do you think?
Exactly, and it's not about professional life. 1st January, we see that there's lots of, gym are full with the people.
Yeah.
And there's 15 days, no, but like 30%, 40% are there, rest, everything is gone. I mean, 1st January, yoga, meditation, gym, any kind of physical activity, everybody are there up to, because why? That is my New Year resolution. Now, because that is not aligned with me or my thought or my integrity, so दैट आई थिंक क्या कल करते हैं ना, आज ही क्यों एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, या एक दिन एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे ना तो ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि हम मोटे हो जाएंगे या पतले हो जाएंगे और व्हाट्सएवर. सो दैट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट.
Shraddha, thank you so much for having such a wonderful and insightful conversation with me today. And her journey with DigiDNA is a testament that anything is possible if you have the right vision, the right consistency, and you want to grow your business. And guys, come on. Now, after this podcast, at least, you have also known that marketing is an essential and the most important body of yours in your business. So you please leverage it, ask an expert, learn, grow, and be consistent. Thank you so much for watching.